Hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to set up abundant cards email in Mailchimp. That means that we need to make an automation. So let's create one. Click on Create and choose Automations. Click on Create Automation and let's name it Abundant Card. So let's name it like this and let's choose a starting point. Now the starting point is when people abandon the card. And as you can see, here we have to choose this option. So you haven't connected your store, you need to connect it. Now, this automation cannot be working unless you connect your store. Your store could be working on Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, Squarespace, and so go on. As long as you have your site connected, you will have the option like here on. So let me choose one of these and show you how it looks like in the platform. So normally here you will find abundant cards, and then what's next is simply send them an email. So here I'm gonna drag this send email option, and here I would select the template and make sure to work on a template to make sure to tell them that they have abandoned an email. This can work both as an SMS or as an email. As long as you have the premium version, you have all the flexibility to choose between these two options. Now let's go for this one. For example, I'm going to choose this template, and all you need to do next is to work on it, make it look better, and change the text and the content of it. Once it is done, click on Save and Continue, and you will be going to the journey where you will find all the automations and you can be working on them. Here I will have to remove a couple more things. So there we go. Here we go. And there we go. Save and Continue. And once you are done, guys, of course my template is a little bit ruined because of the tutorials. I have many things in here. That's why it didn't go on. But for you guys, it will go smoothly as long as you respect the conditions. And as you can see, here it is. Now all you need to do is to start and continue. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.